हाँ जी, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर उमेश वाधवानी है और आप लोग देखने वाले हो मेरा वर्कशॉप विद मनस्वी देसाई अबाउट हेल्थियर डिजर्ट्स। नाउ हम सब लोगों को मीठा खाना बड़ा पसंद है, बट एट द सेम टाइम वी ऑल नो दैट कि स्वीट एंड शुगर्स आर हार्मिंग आवर हेल्थ। तो ऐसा कोई रास्ता है क्या बीच में जहाँ पे हम हमारे स्वीट टूथ को सेटिस्फाई भी कर सके पर हमारी हेल्थ भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज ना हो? दैट्स एक्जैक्टली व्हाट वी गोना टॉक अबाउट। वी गोना टॉक अबाउट शुगर क्रेविंग्स, हाउ यू कैन कंट्रोल देम, आर्टिफिशियल स्वीटनर्स एंड हाउ यू कैन मेक हेल्थियर डिजर्ट विद अ डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन एज वेल। ये लाइव वर्कशॉप्स मैं हर हफ्ते करता हूँ, सो इफ यू वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दोस वर्कशॉप्स, WhatsApp me on +918 5x01025. अगर आपको ये वर्कशॉप अच्छा लगे तो make sure you subscribe to my channel, you give it a like, comment if you have any questions, and share it across with your friends and family. Now you enjoy your workshop. Bye.
That we all have sweets and we all have sugar cravings and sweet cravings and sweet tooths and salty tooths for that matter. But what we are trying to do here is find an alternative to all those cravings so that we can live a better lifestyle and just run a little longer for all the people that love us.
So this is the teaser.
Yeah.
मूवी आ रहा है, मूवी शुरू हो रहा है 5 मिनट में। किस किस को स्वीट टूथ है बाय द वे?
Okay, we can count ourselves in. Okay.
Yeah, we can. अच्छा बताओ ना, फेवरेट डिजर्ट बताओ अपना।
The ice creams.
आइसक्रीम्स,
Okay.
any specific?
Any ice cream for it. Anytime, everywhere, whatever sweet is there, first go for the ice cream.
ओके सही है। और कुछ?
I can skip everything else.
गुलाब जामुन गरम किए हुए उसके ऊपर वनीला आइसक्रीम।
Red velvet cake.
Mississippi mud pie.
Ooh.
Swati, nice. Shrimya, high five. Red velvet cake.
So what happens is when you go out for a buffet ना, उसमें जो dessert counter होता है, I didn't even used to read what it is. मैं सारा उठा के सब आधा जरूर, आधा तो खाता ही था और देखने के लिए, और फाइनली कुछ पसंद नहीं आता था because देसी at heart. फाइनली देसी घी का मूंग दाल हलवा एंड में closing.
अच्छा, मूंग दाल हलवा, मनस्वी, like उसमें what do we add in that to make it sweeter? और मूंग दाल के अलावा कुछ और डलता है क्या उसके अंदर?
I think you can definitely try and add a little bit of rice flour in it.
Okay.
Now, while that is carbs, we can probably add doodhi with a lot of carrots, like not just gajar ka halwa or doodhi ka halwa, like mix and match, put as many vegetables you can. And obviously minus the sugar, the good, and you can add something else that we'll discuss in the session.
Okay. So it's basically moong salad, like
Yeah.
a sweeter version of
करना होगा ना?
दूधी
salad हो गया.
Nice.
Suddenly taste खराब हो गया.
I know, right? Like,
Tried mirchi ka halwa.
wait, what?
Yes.
It's an oxymoron.
It's amazing. It's
Is it
amazing.
even a thing?
It is a thing. I have tried it with sugar. I want to make it without, but
वो
bomb.
तो फिर मिर्ची का चटनी हो गया ना, without sugar.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
Okay.
If you guys come down to Bombay and I have cracked that recipe, you guys can come home.
We all should plan a gathering in Mumbai actually.
Yeah.
कौन कौन आ सकता है मुंबई? चलो हाइपोथेटिकली अगर हम मई में मुंबई में एक, ओके, राहुल आपको हाथ ऊपर करने का हक नहीं है, यू लिव इन मुंबई।
Oh my god, that's cheating.
You're like, yeah, I can. मुलुंड से मेरे को अंधेरी आना होगा, that's about it.
So I checked Piplot के यहाँ, travel options are too less and Ahmedabad airport is too far. So
Yeah.
Mumbai seems like a common point, and you are a frequent traveler anyways. So
सुनील नाम आता ना क्या?
नहीं, I genuinely want to kind of, मुझे एक physical ऐसा कुछ event organize करना है at a common place, but तुम लोगों को, like तुम लोगों का प्यार मेरे लिए इतना बढ़ाना पड़ेगा कि you can actually buy a ticket and come there. तो अभी मुझे नहीं लगता कि तुम लोग मुझे इतना प्यार करते हो कि you'll come now.
I would love to minus Corona. So these days Mumbai is the worst place to travel and plan a reunion. Otherwise, it's the best place in India actually for a gathering and for.
Yeah. I mean, it is. Okay, some people are still joining in. तो हम एक और मिनट देते हैं and then we'll start. अच्छा, before we start the session, a common question जो सब टाइम मैं पूछता हूँ, what do you want to take away from this session? हमने pointers बनाए हुए हैं, but as you all know, मुझे वो linear way अच्छा नहीं लगता है, so तुम लोग बताओ, हम उस हिसाब से structure करेंगे सर. So anything that you want to take away? Go on.
So from one of your, early workshops that I attended, sugar cravings wala, I think.
Yes.
We always discuss that thoda bhi andar jata, it calls for more. You end up
Yes.
having more desserts and you
Yes.
have that craving and all. So is there a way cravings na bade and you are still in touch with desserts?
Okay, we will talk about that. Perfect. Love the question. और कुछ? I'm just sending a last reminder to the people. और कुछ?
Sugar substitute without changing much of taste. We'll discuss.
Yeah. And do you have any like keto desserts?
We shall discuss.
Okay.
You'll remind me once, but we'll discuss.
Okay. Yeah, and I think what sugar substitutes without actually adding sugar or dates or any of those.
Yeah.
But not stevia, because stevia has a slightly bitter taste, aftertaste.
Alternatives here.
Okay, great.
यार ये तो अभी से स्टीविया से दुश्मनी शुरू हो गई ना.
Yeah, no?
It's actually bitter, so it has a bitter aftertaste. So I don't like stevia desserts.
I don't know why, even Doc has mentioned a few times कि लोगों का taste develop नहीं होता stevia का. I've been using a variant of stevia for like 1.5 years now, probably 2 years, 3 years now. And usme there is no bitterness. It's easily available on Amazon. It has some Japanese background also, so वो थोड़ा एक trust factor आता है. The product name is Stevio Cal.
Okay.
I have never felt that, bitterness in it.
I'm going to write that down.
Stevio Cal. I can share the link if people want.
उसको मुझे देखना पड़ेगा कि उसमें वो लोग स्टीविया के अलावा कुछ डालते हैं कि नहीं.
Please.
We will check.
Sure.
And after watching this documentary on Netflix called Seaspiracy, किसी ने देखा क्या? I don't trust Japan anymore.
So I'm posting the link here.
Okay. All right. So official welcome to everyone. Good evening. Thank you so much for joining in. We will be talking about healthier desserts. Oh, I'm so excited. मेरे को इतना सीखना है ना, मेरे को अभी नया oven लाया हूँ घर पे, and I want to learn more. So this session was for me, and you all are just here to join the party. Okay, so Manasvi,
Okay.
हम दोनों का बात हो रहा है, ठीक है? And we have Manasvi Desai in the house. अगर आप लोगों ने उनका इंट्रोडक्शन मिस आउट कर लिया तो मैं इनकी सारी डिटेल्स आपके साथ शेयर करने ही वाला हूँ वैसे. Today we will be talking about, पहले we'll talk about sugar cravings briefly, quick क्यों होता है, हम कैसे फिक्स कर सकते हैं. अगर तुमसे फिक्स नहीं हो सकता है तो तुम तुम्हारे शुगर क्रेविंग को कैसे सेटिस्फाई कर सकते हो, दैट विल बी द रेस्ट ऑफ द सेशन.
उमेश,
यस,
आपका चेहरा मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है.
मैंने बुर्का पहना हुआ है आज, सो फॉरगेट अबाउट इट. लाइक मेरे को शर्म आ रही है. आई वांट, इट्स योर कैमरा, लाइक थोड़ा स्वाइप राइट लेफ्ट कुछ करो, आ जाएगा मेरा. ओके, सो वी विल स्टार्ट विद द शुगर क्रेविंग साइड ऑफ इट. Chavi?
Yeah.
Chavi? Okay. किस को होता है, हमने कवर कर लिया है शुगर क्रेविंग्स, राइट? एंड तुम लोगों ने अगर मेरा पुराना वर्कशॉप कभी अटेंड किया होगा तो यू वुड नो कि शुगर क्रेविंग के रीजंस क्या है. मनस्वी वाज शेयरिंग अ स्टोरी विद मी लाइक थोड़ी देर पहले. व्हाट वाज दैट अगेन, मनस्वी?
So, actually 3 stories now that I think of.
Yeah, go on.
One of them is my craving since past 1.5 month for grapes. Like, matlab another level. If I don't have like 30-40 grapes in the night, not 30-40, let's say 15 to 30 grapes a night, then I can't sleep well. But I feel and I know that it's more of a psychological thing than an actual problem. And then you explain to me a different perspective to all of it. And I've tried to get that into my routine. For a fact, कि मेरा protein intake बहुत कम हो गया था from the past 2 months. And that was probably also causing me to have that little sugar which is there in the fruit and go to bed and feel that I'm happy, which I was, but I don't want that kind of happiness. I want to feel better throughout the day and during the night, if you know what I mean. So I slowly started to have paneer and protein shakes and stuff in my diet. Then move to grapes because I don't want to completely cut off sugars from my day, but I will try and not have it at night. It's as simple as that. Though I still had a few grapes at night, but that is how it works. 1 second, I think.
Did you try frozen grapes?
Very sensitive teeth.
Yes.
So I wouldn't try that before I get approval from a dentist.
Okay. I mean, dentist से क्या approval लेना है? हम झेल सकते हैं तो खाने का, नहीं तो नहीं खाने का.
Yeah. But don't you think that if I have too many grapes or if I have too much of sugar for that matter, I will actually eventually have to visit a dentist?
You would have to.
I would have to. So.
But it depends कि कौन सा sugar जा रहा है हमारी body में. So of course fructose and normal sugar, it has teeth decaying properties. So there is a reason हमें बचपन में मम्मी डांट के बोला करती थी कि मत खा, दांत सड़ जाएंगे.
Yeah.
किसके दांत सड़े हैं क्या शुगर खाने की वजह से बहुत ज्यादा? Smurf is like, yeah, first man. Okay, so जैसे मनस्वी बता रही थी, if you are someone who wants to eat sugar at night or you get sugar cravings, just simply the majority of the reasons, major reason is protein deficiency. Just fix that and you will start seeing changes from the next day onwards. You don't even have to wait. You don't. अगर ये नहीं है तो एक दूसरा very common, very simple reason है. मनस्वी, क्या था दूसरा स्टोरी आपका?
दूसरा स्टोरी, because you were talking about mummy. तो मैं जब छोटी थी ना, I used to feel very hungry at let's say 12 a.m. मतलब नींद से जाके you're hungry. And that's not common, but ऐसा होता था. And my mom used to tell, drink a big glass of water and go to bed. And that used to work out at that time. But abhi, because I am controlling all my emotions khud se, I would reach out for some food, which is completely wrong. I should just gulp down a liter of water and feel better because my body is feeling dehydrated and not hungry, or it's not craving some sugar or salty food. I honestly love a lot of salty food more than sweet. So you can understand ki that amount of sodium or just a nice glass of water. That's my second story.
यहाँ पे ना लेप्टिन और ग्रेलिन की कहानी आती है. And a few of you might know that. किसी को याद है क्या? Leptin, ghrelin का कहानी. So basically, leptin and ghrelin are your hunger, satiety and appetite के hormones हैं. So तुम्हें जब भूख लगती है ना तो ghrelin के हार्मोन के लेवल्स ऊपर जाते हैं, तो तुम्हारे ब्रेन को सिग्नल जाता है कि अब खाना चाहिए, भूख लग रही है. And as soon as you put something in your tummy, leptin goes up and it gives your brain a signal of satiety कि पेट में कुछ आ चुका है and we are all good, है ना? The interesting fact is कि leptin works on pressure receptors. तुम्हारे स्टमक के अंदर pressure receptors हैं and it works on that. तो तुम्हारे स्टमक को necessarily खाना नहीं चाहिए. तुम पानी भी चग इन कर लोगे ना तो तुम्हारे स्टमक के प्रेशर पॉइंट्स एक्टिवेट होंगे एंड इट विल गिव अ सिग्नल टू योर ब्रेन कि पेट में कुछ आ चुका है, अब चिल मारो. तो ग्रेलिन लेवल्स विल गो डाउन. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. तो बहुत बार हमें क्या लगता है कि देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन भूख लगना और खाना खाने का मन करना. एंड आई हैव सेड दिस सो मेनी टाइम्स. सो इफ यू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस टू ना, भूख is lack of nutrients in your body and खाना खाने का मन करना is because आपने अपनी आदतें बिगाड़ रखी है. जब भी खाना खाने का मन किया और आपने खाना खाया है, because it's very accessible. है ना. तो तुमने अगर तुम्हारा खाने पीने का कोई शेड्यूल नहीं है ना, एंड व्हेन आई से शेड्यूल आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू टू के तुम है ना 11 बजे 1 बजे 3 बजे वाला पूरा टाइम टेबल बनाओ, बट वर्क योर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम एज अ लाइक ऑफिस आवर्स रखो ना डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम के, कि तुम्हारा एक ओपनिंग आवर होना चाहिए, क्लोजिंग आवर होना चाहिए. Let's say if you are having your breakfast at around 9-10 and your dinner around 8-9 in the evening, 9 in the morning से पहले कुछ नहीं जाना चाहिए तुम्हारी बॉडी में, और रात को 10 बजे के बाद कुछ नहीं जाना चाहिए. उससे उससे होगा क्या, योर बॉडी विल गेट यूज टू दैट टाइमिंग कि भाई इसके बाद खाना नहीं आएगा. पर अभी क्या हो रहा है, तुमने 9 बजे डिनर कर लिया, 10 साढ़े 10 बजे दोस्त ने बोला कि लेट्स गो फॉर अ कप ऑफ आइसक्रीम, एंड यू लाइक यार चलो पान खाना है, हाँ चलो. देयर इज नो इन्वॉल्व, है ना. तो यहाँ पे नो बोलना शुरू करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू स्टार्ट सेइंग नो and have a opening and closing hour, and that will help you with your sugar cravings so much. Amazing. So these are main two reasons, and third reason is your gut bacteria. I know I'm repeating this thing. If you have attended my sugar craving wala workshop, you know these three things. Gut bacteria is अच्छा, serotonin hormone सुना है सबने? Do you know what it does?
Happy hormone.
Happy hormone, yeah. It just doesn't, it's not just a happy hormone. It deals, so serotonin manages your mood, other emotions, your sleep, your sexual functions. ये सारी चीजों को serotonin manage करता है. What do you think serotonin कहाँ से release होता है?
Mind. Oh, gut.
Mind or gut?
Gut.
Anyone else?
Pituitary gland.
Sorry? नहीं, हमें नाम नहीं, हमें स्पेसिफिक नाम नहीं चाहिए ग्लैंड का, मुझे लोकेशन चाहिए. यहाँ
वही, यहाँ like head regions में.
ब्रेन में से, राइट? 90% of your serotonin is released from your intestines. तुम्हारी बॉडी में 100% में से 90% of your so वो बोलते हैं ना कि तुम्हारा मूड डिपेंड्स अपॉन व्हाट यू ईट, and the other way around. You will eat depending upon what your mood is like. It is because of this fact.
We can't hear you.
Wait. Yo, hello. Can you hear me? Can you all hear me? Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, we can now.
Okay. That is the reason. So अगर तुम्हारा gut is not healthy, and when I say your gut is being healthy, it means the right amount of bacteria, the good and the bad ones. Your intestine is filled with bacteria, and that is making your gut health, gut flora. 85% of your bacteria should be the healthier and 15% bad ones. You need both of them. If you've been eating a lot of sugar since your childhood, you are feeding your bad bacteria. So now your bad bacteria's quantities have taken over the good ones. Now it's a simple logic. Bad bacteria feed or strive upon your simple refined sugars. तो उनको खाना जभी चाहिए तभी तुम लोगों को शुगर क्रेविंग होगा. So it's not you feeling cravings, it's your कीड़े in your tummy feeling cravings. मम्मी बोला करता था ना हमें बचपन में, ना मीठा खाता है तेरे पेट में कीड़े पड़े हुए हैं. So you have to start fixing your gut flora. Now, gut flora कैसे fix करना है, how to do it, everything I've already spoken about it a lot, so I won't be going into the details right now. But you guys can WhatsApp me later individually. I can send you a video on it. So, अब हम healthier desserts के बारे में बात करेंगे. Manasvi, my first question to you is what makes a dessert healthy? Because Desserts are supposed to be sweet, loaded with sugar.
Hmm.
How can you make?
I think by saying that a dessert is healthy, you are actually shouldn't say this, but you are actually insulting the actual dessert. So we're simply going to say it's a healthier alternative. चीज आपके लिए healthy नहीं हो सकती. If dahi is healthy for me, it's not going to be healthy for X. Probably.
Ooh.
So it all depends. And now what we're going to try and tailor make is a healthier dessert.
Manasvi just went nutritionist on me. I loved it. I loved it. Okay. Yeah, please.
Okay. Now, I would like to know from you guys, कि when you all crave something, when that hormone inside you tells you कि मुझे कुछ खाना चाहिए, what is it that you first do? What is the first snack that you reach out for? So that I can tell you कि alternatively कौन सा snack आपके घर में हो सकता है? What you can store better? Chocolate. Okay. I'd like to know, Divya, if it's dairy milk or if it's something else. Like milk chocolate है या कुछ और है? Chips. Cake. Okay. I love cake, yeah.
आज मैंने बनाया था keto cake.
What did you say?
I made a keto cake today.
You did. With stevia?
Yeah, with stevia and protein powder. Okay, we are getting more answers. Biscuits, chocolates, dark chocolate.
Okay.
Given a choice, Bengali sweets like cham and all.
वो घर पे रहता है?
नहीं रहता ना. जब होता है पता है तो जाने की reasons ढूंढते हैं.
Right. Okay. Makes sense. Okay. First, I'll talk about. Sorry, what?
Cashew nuts.
Cashew nuts. Okay, nice.
Okay.
So, do you have cashew nuts just had tak lena chahiye or like beyond, and then you feel you have stomach cramps?
No, I just take like 4-5. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं.
Okay.
So
I don't think
there's
that's
the thing.
bad, right?
No, that's not bad. See, that's the
Not
thing.
bad.
So I wanted to add a point here. Okay, when it comes to healthy fats and proteins, na, they have higher satiety levels. So you can't overeat, like let's say nuts or paneer. You can't. Like तुम थोड़ा खाओगे, like there is a limit, and उसके बाद you'll be like नहीं अभी बस है.
Yeah.
But when it comes to sugars, you know the answer to it. There is no stopping. जब तक तुम्हारा पेट लिटरली यहाँ तक भर नहीं आता ना, तब तक you can just freaking go.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, go on.
So bourbon biscuits actually, chocolate and sugar, and sugar
Bourbon
crystals on
biscuits.
them. Yeah,
Right,
that's a easy
right.
catch,
Of course. ठीक है. Okay, so fruits when in keto, sweet nahi but salty. Namita, you're very much like me. I would also go for the banana chip or जो भी fried item घर में रहेगा. Packet वाला सब कुरकुरे. Okay, you're like my sister. Okay. So simply what I'd like to say with dark chocolate is your definition of dark chocolate might be anything that's bitter to you, or anything that's 55%, or anything that's 70% also. When we talk about bitter chocolate, I would like to suggest that it is 85% and beyond. And uska bhi ek piece, because your tongue is going to realize कि वो चीज bitter है, you wouldn't like it more, so you will have that one piece and feel that your craving has sufficed, which is the whole point of having a dark chocolate. In Harry Potter, when you're told that dark chocolate is going to make you feel better, that's the amount of dark chocolate that will make you feel better, not the entire bar of Amul.
But Amul doesn't make 85%, right? Does it?
They make 90%. I've had it.
Okay.
And they make 100% also.
So that's a cardboard. I would rather eat a cardboard. Joke.
Well, they make it.
Yeah. They do.
Now, I mean, that's the most economic dark chocolate you can get. Because Lindt and others are pretty expensive. And uska ek piece khana thoda lagta hai. Amul ka nahi lagta. Anyway, coming to something saltier, I would like to say that you can have some salted almonds at home, or you can actually even make salted almonds at home. Like bada almond ka 100 gram, 200 gram ka packet leke aao, put like 2 pinches of pink salt, shake it, roast it a little bit, and that's your snack. उसके 3 या 4 खाओगे, you will feel good. You can wait until lunchtime or dinner time, if that's your mid meal or midnight or mid meal craving. Yes, you wanted to say
There would
something.
still be some water retention, right?
With the salty almonds,
Yeah.
but उसका level कम होगा ना उमेश?
या अगर तुम अगर 15-20 भी खा रहे हो तो इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू कॉज यू ब्लोटिंग, बिकॉज फर्स्ट यू आर एडिंग पिंक सॉल्ट टू योर ओवरऑल डेली सॉल्ट इंटेक कितना हो रहा है उस पे तुम्हारा ब्लोटिंग डिपेंड करता है. आई डोंट थिंक
The same goes with salted peanuts as well.
oh yes, but salted
Yes.
peanuts तुम बाहर से ला रहे हो, you don't know what salt they have used were used and what quantity they have used. So I would say मनस्वी जैसा बोला, घर पे बनाओ,
Yeah.
add pink salt and you can have it.
Same goes with Disha who likes cashews. You can make them salted if you like, if you want.
Is air frying a good option? Or is
I don't see. I know it's a better option than proper frying, but it is still frying. And theories have proven that you're not supposed to even air fry because it's equally harmful. So, plus I don't own an air fryer. वो same crispiness लाता है. वो कम तेल use करता है, but it still uses and still gives you that samosa that you wanted. So there is some science behind it which is still to be explored further.
Yep.
Okay.
See, frying is a cooking method. Effect is eventually going to be the same on the food. Now, so कैसे fry कर रहे हो, it will make slight difference, but eventually effect तो same हो रहा है. So, yeah.
You can try and bake, Instead of having potatoes, you can try sweet potatoes. And as much as you think that sweet potato is sweeter and वो ज़्यादा नरम होता है, there's definitely a lot more to that, Marinate your sweet potato before you actually put it in for baking. Marinate it with some spicy sauce that you've made at home. It's going to make tons of difference.
I made sweet potato toast and it's pretty good.
So you like it? तो फिर chips के पास मत जाओ.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet potato chips भी बना सकते हो ना तुम, फ्राई नहीं करके बेक करके.
स्वीट पोटैटो टिक्की भी बना सकते हो विद ओट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. मैं बनाई थी, डैम टेस्टी.
Next time, instead of oats, try almond powder or cashew powder if you like. थोड़ा और crunchiness आएगा. It will taste a little more better.
बट मैं बेसिकली बाइंडिंग के लिए यूज कर रही थी ओट्स. लाइक आई ग्राइंडेड इट एंड आई यूज इट फॉर बाइंडिंग.
I know,
तो
even
ब्रेड क्रम्स से ज्यादा हेल्दियर मुझे
much
ओट्स
better.
लगा.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Okay. Now, what did somebody else say? Fruits, I think, will be honestly good because the dessert that I'm going to show you right now also includes fruits. So if I say something wrong about fruits right now, it's just going to contradict what I'm going to say later in the session.
You see, I will be saying something which is going to contradict the whole session at the end. So be
Don't
ready.
do that.
The whole session. So just be ready. Cliffhanger मैंने अभी से दे दिया. So
Okay.
Smurth, you can't leave early. Yes, sorry, Manasi, go.
Okay. So tell me one thing. Cakes mein, what is the first sweetener that you use? Like Umesh, I know you use stevia.
Yeah.
And your base was, I guess, almond flour?
Yeah.
Almond flour. When I'm saying keto ज़रूरत नहीं है, but sugar का substitute करना ज़रूरत है, is simply because let's not try and have the white sugar. So what is your first alternative? Like general public, you guys tell me.
Aspartame.
Use
Okay.
palm sugar,
Sugar, coconut sugar, okay.
coconut sugar.
Less sugar. ये क्या होता है?
Sony is like less sugar.
Less sugar. Sorry.
Dates.
Date syrup, dates, okay. Less No, I understood less sugar. Jaggery, okay. Good jaggery, okay. Does somebody use honey in their cakes? Inside the cakes?
Aya, honey, aya.
I wanted it to count. Don't use.
Why?
Because honey contains sugar. It's still a proper sweetener. And for one, you're not supposed to cook honey. So I have cooked honey and I have felt different while I was eating that dessert. So I will tell you, it's genuinely not good for health.
एक और
So
ऊपर
I'd
डालते हैं
use
ना,
honey
why
in,
would I bake the honey?
yeah, not for baking, but use honey in protein balls, like the
As a binding agent, yeah.
yeah, caramel, like make caramel out of it, honey and butter.
Okay. Now, this is what I would suggest. If you have flax seeds or chia seeds, they can be your binding mixture instead of using jaggery powder, jaggery, liquid jaggery, or even sugar for that matter, honey, sugar, any proper sweetener for that matter. You can use flax seeds and bind your mixture. I use that in my products for Sita Comida. And it's genuinely so much tastier and so much healthier.
With honey, not good.
No, not with good. Like I know for a fact कि good और honey से अगर मैं किसी चीज को bind कर रही हूँ, it's going to taste amazing. But I don't want that amazing to go on for a longer time, na? Like it's a one-time, once in a month kind of a craving, जिसको मैं honey से suffice कर लूँगी. But if I'm going to be having that energy ball every day in the morning or before my workout, then it's not going to help me in the long run. And I want something that helps me in the long run. Eva said monk fruit sweetener. Perfect, I guess. Right, Umesh?
Yes, monk fruit and stevia on top of the chain. Top of the chain. Aspartame, Smurf, don't. Like वो, like जैसे तुमने aspartame बोला ना, था मुझे वो X Factor वाला, वो जो बैप जो बोलते हैं ना, red जो दबाते हैं क्रॉस वाला, वो I was like वो बटन कहाँ है? नहीं है. But aspartame, so many things. So when we are using sweeteners, artificial sweeteners, there is this, your brain identifies certain artificial sweeteners as sugar. So they are called excitotoxins. So they excite your brain in the same way as sugar would. So it elicits a similar response to a sugar, which you shouldn't. Dusra, aspartame is banned in so many countries because it has carcinogenic effects. So, and it is way too sweeter. Like it's around 200 times sweeter than sugar.
Yeah.
So it is going to freaking mess with your brain. Two, about honey. So especially if you are trying to lose weight, I would say कि normal sugar डाल लो अगर डालना ही है तुम्हें over honey. Reason, जितने भी sugars है ना, उनका प्रोसेसिंग और हनी का प्रोसेसिंग हमारी बॉडी में कंप्लीटली अलग तरीके से होता है. फॉर दैट मैटर हनी एंड ऑल द फ्रूट्स का प्रोसेसिंग अलग होता है. सो शुगर यू विल ईट, विल गो इनटू योर स्टमक एंड इंटेस्टाइन एंड एब्जॉर्ब हुआ, फिर यूटिलाइज हुआ, राइट? व्हेन इट कम्स टू sugar coming from honey, it gets expedited delivery to liver. तो वो सीधा liver में जाता है, absorption नहीं, सीधा वो liver में जाता है and liver processes it. So if you're not utilizing it there and then, your liver का काम ही ये है, utilize नहीं हुआ fat में convert करो, utilize नहीं हुआ fat में convert करो. So if you are trying to lose weight and your physical activity levels are low, forget about fruits and sugar or fruits and honey. नहीं आना चाहिए आपके routine. Yes, Manasvi, over to you.
Okay. I would also suggest if somebody wants to have something that's crunchy, if you are craving something crunchy, you can opt for apple slices. It's the season, you can opt for mangoes also. Half a mango a day, one mango a day. I don't think that's going to harm you as much as a cake would. And that is also if you're getting that craving. But if you're getting that craving at night, drink water and go to bed. Because you are not supposed to eat at night beyond a certain point. If you are going for a workout after 12 o'clock at night, bejijak jo khana hai khao. By that I mean something healthy. But don't eat if you're going to bed. If you even try and notice, if you're having some Punjabi food, ekdam masaledar, amazing, oily, you will not be able to sleep immediately after. Your mom will tell you, haath piche rakh ke chalo. Walk for a really long time so that it gets digested. Now, it doesn't exactly get digested, but it still takes time, right? It takes up your time. That's what I do. Another thing, when I feel that I am craving something and वो पानी से भी suffice नहीं हुआ है, रात को 12 बजे नहीं, but any time of the day, I will walk around. I have a target of finishing 10K steps every day. So if my brother is still there, he knows it. But 10K steps every day, matlab karne hi hai. So that means if I'm watching TV, I'll march in front of my TV. People have gotten bored with it, but I still do it.
तो
If not,
फ्रंट में क्यों करना है?
हाँ?
लोग कुछ देख रहे हैं ना.
हाँ, पर मतलब not exactly in front.
Sorry.
One sec. That's one thing that I would do. Second thing, if you have a gym membership, please go and work out. Instead of putting food inside your body, go and do some workout. Drink some water, have a scoop of protein shake, and go for a workout, because that is going to help you so much more than having a slice of cake. Even though I sell cakes, I'm telling you this, that cakes are not good. Sorry.
अपने पैर पे खुद कुल्हाड़ी मारना.
मार दिए. अभी I wouldn't have cakes every day. I wouldn't suggest anybody else to have cakes. I don't keep cakes ka subscription. I keep sourdough bread ka subscription.
Nice.
Okay. Apple slices you can have. You can have some other fruit. If you like strawberries, strawberries were still in season for a while. You can add a little bit of salt if you're a salty fan. If you're not, sugar is still present in the strawberries. You can still have it as it is. Freeze it for a bit, like he suggested. It's going to taste a lot more better. Is there any question regarding craving that one particular sweet
If you
treat?
guys haven't tried coconut chips, do that.
Okay.
Do that. I'm telling you, मजा ही आ जाएगा. Like coconut chips घर पे भी बना सकते हो तुम, और उसको फिर freeze कर दो. मैं तो हर चीज freeze करने का बोलता हूँ, but like I like cold desserts, right? Try that out. Okay. Questions, guys.
मेरी क्लास चल रही, प्लीज बाद में.
नहीं है कोई सवाल.
No question. Okay, so should we directly jump onto the cooking?
No, there is. Is
Okay.
protein shake good for health? Max says that if it doesn't have enough protein, though, so then we should go for it. Is it true? Want to know good amount of protein in our food, which we can eat daily. Ramya, it will see your daily protein requirements depend upon your body weight and your physical activity levels. Okay, so if you live a sedentary life, you need 1 gram of protein every day. And if you are working out every day, depending upon your workout intensity, you can have up to 2 grams of protein per kg of your body weight. Now, you figure out how much protein you need, and if you can consume that amount of protein from your food, you don't need protein powder. But for some reason, if you're a vegetarian or vegan, or you have a busy schedule, or sometimes you go out for eating and you can't have a protein-rich meal, you can have protein powders as an SOS. Whenever your proteins are lacking for that particular day, you can have a scoop and have it. It's completely safe. Just make sure you are buying it from a legit supplier and you are using a good brand for it. Because in India, fake protein powders are like very, it's very common. So make sure you are getting it from a good supplier. That's it. So protein powders are not bad, and this is how you can find it out. Divya is asking something. What can be used as a substitute for sugar?
Okay, so top priority is your stevia, monk fruit sweetener. Next, you can have erythritol. Sugar, alcohol, but it is keto friendly.
Yes, it is keto.
And if you are following intermittent fasting, it's 0 calories.
Yes.
So that is something you can consider. It does not leave the kind of bitter stevia aftertaste that people are talking about. Because I've had sweets which contain stevia and are slightly bitter. But erythritol se wo bitterness thodi kam ho jati hai. It will still taste different if you are used to sugar-based sweeteners, desserts. Because that's obvious.
Yeah, that's true.
And if you are looking at cold coffee daily, then tell me, do you put sugar in your coffee? And how much milk do you put in your coffee? And at what time are you having that coffee? I think I've learned a few things, yeah.
I'm loving this.
Can you suggest some good protein brands? I will tell you the one I'm using right now. Then Umesh, you can tell me which one is better. I actually have it here. Just give me 1 sec. I'm using this one by Skitron. It's unflavored. I want to use this in my bakes also, which is why I actually purchased this. It's literally tasteless. मतलब कुछ भी नहीं लगता है. So if I want to add, I can add little cocoa powder and make it chocolatey. And it does not contain any sugar, sweetener, nothing. Like it's that plain.
Okay.
And it's cheap on Amazon, which is why I actually purchased it. Honestly.
I'm not sure about that brand. Like मुझे को पता नहीं है, but if you have used it, अच्छा है, go for it. And that's what I would recommend all of you. Do your own research about brands. Since I've come back to India, I haven't explored any brands in terms of supplements because protein supplements, because I always promote कि भाई तुम खाने में से like have consume food. It is going to help with your metabolism and मजा भी आता है, satiety level भी आता है. So go for it and do your own research. Maybe send me a WhatsApp of 3-4 different brands and I can just go through them and give you a better suggestion. I don't have any on top of my head, to be really honest. Okay, so Ramya is asking about hormone imbalance. Ramya, nothing wrong in getting animal protein if you have hormonal imbalance. So I kind of specialize in PCOS and PCOD, and I've dealt with a lot of clients of PCOS, and no problem. The problem is protein deficiency. Where you're getting it from, it's your personal choice. If you're a vegetarian, we can work out the vegetarian sources of protein. If you are vegan, there are so many vegan sources. But if you can eat meat or animal source, go for it. It's the best. It's the first class protein in the protein chain. Now, so go for it. Don't bother about what internet or other people are saying. And this is being recorded, so you can use it against me.
Also, I wanted to address the cold coffee thing because I have a mug of coffee every morning, and I have it plain, garam pani with about 1 teaspoon or tablespoon, depending on how awake I want to feel, because that's my feeling. And like this much of stevia granules, I don't even know how to explain. It's like 2 pinches of stevia granules. I have granules, you might have the pellets or whatever. And uske hisab se you can try and test it for yourself. Now I have that stevia in it because I want a little sweet kick in the morning, which that stevia is giving me. I used to add jaggery in my tea, which is something I also go for at times that I want to have a garam masaledar chai, but I wouldn't suggest it for anyone because it is still sugar and it does give me the rush. I still feel it, but that's the harm that I have done to my body. Simple as that. Cold coffee is still cool, but I wouldn't suggest having coffee at any time post 5 because I have lost my sleep a lot of times. And I don't think that's psychological. For some reason,
no, it's not psychological, it's physiological.
Yeah. So that's about cold coffee. And I wouldn't suggest to add milk to your coffee is because milk also contains sugar.
Instead, try keto coffee.
Yeah.
If you haven't tried it, do try it.
Tell me, what do I add? What do I add?
Okay, so it may sound crazy for someone who is listening to this for the first time about keto coffee, but don't judge it just by the recipe. Okay, so you make a cup of black coffee, add a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of coconut oil. You can use ghee instead of butter, but coconut oil is constant. You blend it. If you want a proper frothy latte type coffee, add butter. Blend it. उसके अंदर तुम cinnamon डालो, powder ऊपर से, stevia डालो. Proper rich latte. Amazing. See, Krishna is already saying keto.
Yeah.
Keto coffee lovers are there. It's just amazing. You try it and मुझे बताओ उसके बाद. Are we having fun with the session? मजा आ रहा है? मनस्वी को थोड़ा प्यार दिखाया जाए.
Yeah, can you send me one of the reactions, guys?
Yes.
Like a heart, maybe.
Yes,
if that's not something I'm asking for, like. Oh, thank you.
Okay. मिड सेशन रिचुअल्स, आप लोग अगर इंस्टाग्राम पे हो तो मनस्वी जी को फॉलो किया जाए। ये और जो लोग नए नए आए हैं वो लोग मुझे भी फॉलो कर ही लें। आई मीन मैंने कुछ गुनाह नहीं किया है, प्लीज, बिकॉज आई डू दीज वर्कशॉप्स एवरी वीक। कभी कभार 2 हो जाती हैं ऐसे, तो अगर तुम्हें वो वर्कशॉप्स के बारे में अपडेट्स चाहिए तो इंस्टाग्राम इज द प्लेस वेयर आई विल बी पुटिंग ऑल दी वर्कशॉप डिटेल्स। मैंने चैट में हम दोनों के इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल्स डाले हुए हैं, सो यू गाइस कैन हिट अस अप। जैसे ही आपने फॉलो कर लिया हमें बता दो, हम वर्कशॉप आगे बढ़ाते हैं। I'm joking. Okay, let's go.
Just
Manas
one.
is going to show us something now. She'll be cooking something, Abhi. Guys, I'm serious about you following us. This is not a request. Ranjana is like, thank you so much, Ranjana. Also, while Manaswi sets up the station cooking session or station, I wanted to tell you guys about my and Manaswi's collaboration. Kaun? Okay. So, if you guys don't know, many of you would know कि मैं एक प्रोग्राम चलाता हूँ जिसका नाम है Be Your Home Nutritionist. पता है किसी को? हाँ. So Be Your Home Nutritionist is a program जहाँ it's a 4-day program. 2 weekends पे होगा. Every day there will be a 90-minute long session. 3 sessions will be on nutrition and 4th session will be with Manasvi, where Manasvi will be teaching you how to implement everything that we have learned in the first 3 sessions at your home. So तुम्हारा घर का खाना, how can you make your घर का खाना healthier? That's what Manasvi will be teaching in the 4th session. But the first 3 sessions will be about how you can be your own nutritionist. And it is as what it says. 4 दिन के बाद it's guaranteed that you will be able to make your diet plan and your whole family's diet plan. And that's for sure. जिन लोगों ने सेशन अटेंड किया हुआ है, they know what I exactly mean. So Smarth is someone here, and I think other people there. I'm not even sure कि कितने लोगों ने इस ग्रुप में से किया है, but they know. So the other thing is you can bring, because there was one of the common complaints saying कि सर आपने हमें तो बता दिया पर मम्मी को कौन समझाएगा, है ना? You can bring your mummy along in the session. I will talk to your mummy about everything, and Manasvi is there as well. So हमारा next batch 10th को शुरू हो रहा है अगले सैटरडे को. If anyone is interested, do let me know. WhatsApp me. I'll be sending you more details. ठीक है? Awesome. चलो Manasvi, let's go. I'm putting you on spotlight.
Yeah, you're putting the right. Oh, thank you. Perfect. Because it's a slight confusion here. I'm using this for the first time. Okay, so एक minute. Huh? Okay, now what we're gonna make here is a smoothie bowl, which Rahul can convert into a frozen yogurt smoothie if he wants ice cream. That's your dahi.
Nice.
And these are my favorite fruits, which I have already spoken about. Okay. I'm simply going to add pink salt to it because last time I added cocoa powder and it just didn't gel well for me. You can add cocoa powder, a little bit of stevia. Now people will question me that I'm adding salt to dahi and then fruits, but trust me, it's going to be good if you're a sweet and a salty person. Okay. Just a bit. And I have dahi as my protein, which is going to be balanced. I've got a few vitamins, minerals, and a little bit of sugar that I need. And I've got my fats. Does anybody want to tell me what these are?
Chia seeds?
Yes. Perfect. That was Samarth, right? Samarth, sorry.
Tushar.
I'm so sorry. Okay. These are chia seeds. They were soaked in water before the session. And this is simply what I'm going to add. Now it might look gooey, but it's just the right consistency that I'm going to need for my final product. And I'm just going to whisk it. I don't have a whisk right now. So I'm going to fold it. Okay, guys, I'm going to get my whisk. Sorry. Now to make this pink, you can add some blueberries, you can add some beet, which is boiled and then grated, or even grind it into a paste, whatever you like. Now this is ghar ka dahi, okay, guys?
Baba.
As rich as it can get. See, it's mixed well. Now, if I want, I can add some nuts also to it, which I have on the corner, which I will. Obviously, in goes all my fruits. And this was 2 cups of dahi. That's all. And this is, by the way, my dinner, because I had I had a lot of carbs during the day and yesterday. So that's my almonds, chopped, sliced, blanched. A few more. It's as simple as that. Now the dahi has the amount of saltiness that I actually need. And the sweet is right here. So this is your basic level 1 healthy dessert. If you all want to know more, then you can ask me questions. Wait, let me transfer this into a big beautiful bowl. That's it. You can add black pepper to this, and trust me, it's going to taste even better.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? Dessert में black pepper?
Yeah, the thing is, it's not dessert, right? It's a healthier form. उसमें आप turmeric भी डाल सकते हो to make it yellow if you like that way. How does it look, guys?
Honey डालेंगे ना कविता भाभी problem हो जाएगा.
But I'll tell you what, honestly, ऐसा बना के देखो, आपको honey की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
Yeah, you don't need it, yeah, because we have added a lot of fruits.
Yeah.
And grapes तो मजा ही आ जाएगा.
You can freeze this and even try. You know what? I'll actually try and freeze this, and I'll send Umesh the picture of how it looks.
Yeah, but I think Manasvi, you might need to blend it more, no? Like blend it to make it as a frozen yogurt.
Yeah, of course. You want to blend it, you can blend it. The only thing is, I want that crunch of the fruit.
Okay.
And I want कि वो fruit थोड़ा अलग से taste में आए.
Yeah, okay.
That's all.
सही है.
You can actually blend a mango and make it yellow, and then cut down on probably the grapes.
Grapes, yeah, that's true. Any substitute for the curd?
You can have vegan curd if you like, if you're comfortable with it. I'm just going to switch my audio. Yeah. You can substitute it with vegan curd. It's readily available in the market.
But Divya, what was the reason? Why did you not want curd? Like maybe she doesn't like curd.
Maybe she doesn't like curd. Then she can definitely mix it with heavy milk. Sorry.
Yeah, she doesn't like curd.
Okay, if you don't like curd, you can definitely have these in coconut water. So I don't know if you guys have heard about, it's called the natural cereal or something like that, where you put coconut water and you put all the fruits and nuts that you need and you have it in the morning. Natural cereal, yeah.
I haven't heard of it.
It's
honestly... Coconut milk and almond milk is completely fine.
Yeah.
Fresh
did I say coconut milk? I was actually going to say coconut water, not milk.
No. Someone was asking, Swati was asking कि coconut milk or almond milk चल सकता है क्या इसमें?
Of course, it can work.
Hmm.
It's just not going to be as smoothie-like consistency.
So we can make coconut milk se curd, right?
Yeah, but I honestly haven't tried, so not the best person right now.
So I was looking for some curd alternatives, and Urban Platter has this probiotic tablets.
Uh-huh.
So you bring like तुम्हारा normal जो milk alternatives है, soya milk, oat milk and stuff. उसमें कुछ a specific quantity में you just add that tablet and it will make it into a curd overnight.
Okay.
I don't know how it works. मेरे पास अभी भी link है उसका. So I sent it to a couple of my clients yesterday. They were asking.
I know for a fact it would curdle. Now I'm not very sure how it would convert it into curd.
I have a doubt. आजकल बहुत सारे एडवर्टीजमेंट्स आते हैं ग्रीक योगर्ट के बारे में. It's like Greek yogurt is a healthier alternative to normal milk का yogurt. So कितना सच है वो? Like, is it true? And like, I don't know anything about Greek yogurt basically.
So while I wouldn't exactly be able to say something about Greek yogurt in general, I can tell you that yogurt is a thicker consistency of dahi because dahi mein pani hai. Dahi pani chhodta bhi hai. Like if you see the dahi that I just opened a while back, it had water left on the top because ghar ka dahi hai. It's very natural. Now whether you have half kg of dahi or you have half kg of yogurt, literally drops down to how much you want to invest on the dahi. Both are gut friendly. If I'm not wrong, Umesh.
In terms of kind of healthiness or healthy quotient of Greek or stuff, I think Greek yogurt has slight lesser amount of sugar and more protein compared to the normal yogurt. And that's why it says. But if you are consuming homemade curd,
Nothing like it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just going to shut the.
Okay.
there's fresh cream. Manasvi, fresh cream का क्या scene है? Can we add fresh cream to this?
Sorry. Yes, you can add fresh cream to this. But the thing is, because this yogurt is, because this dahi is already so thick, if you are adding cream to it, it's just going to make it thicker and higher on the fat content. If that is your goal, then go ahead and add the cream to it. Try adding doodh ka malai if you are a fan of it.
So, Takmaria instead of chia seeds. Yes, you can. They both have same nutritional profile anyway. So,
Also, I'd like to point out when you're buying yogurt in the market, and if you see some blueberry yogurt or strawberry yogurt or mango yogurt, for now that's the season, just check if they have added sugar to the mix or not. If it says 0 added sugar, then you are, I guess, good to go because it's literally the sugar content of the mango or the pulp that has been taken down. But if you're buying and it says पीछे sugar content में X amount of carbs in that 100 grams, then be sure that you are adding dahi के बाद थोड़ा और sugar. So you might as well just buy a fruit and actually come down home and whisk another bowl of smoothie, flavored smoothie for yourself.
Okay. I think we are almost towards the end of our workshop. We can take a couple of more questions, but before the questions and my and Vanasvi, हम दोनों के final wordings on this. सब कैमरा शुरू कर लो, एक सेल्फी ले लेता है. स्मर्थ, गाड़ी चलाते हुए फोन का इस्तेमाल करना. आ जाओ. Hi Chaitali. Hi Srishti.
Oh my God, he's actually driving.
Hi Sarvesh. What's up?
Hello.
Hi Prakshi. Hi Ranjana. Ranjana, sorry, my bad. Hi Divya. What's up? Yes, Tushar, how are you? Hi, Dhruv.
Fine, sir. Fine.
Hi, Ankita. I'm seeing these faces after so long. Hi, Shruti. Namita कहाँ चले गए? Okay.
Hello.
Hi. कैसी है? Okay, we are all set. So, S.T. Patil, Rajni, Swati, Ramya, Shrishti, Grishma, ये लोग नहीं आ रहे हैं. But आप वहीं पे रहेंगे. All right. Are we set? Are we set? Are we set? Shabby? 1 and 2 and 3 and let's go. Okay.
I should do something better.
Yes, we can go for one more. क्या करना है बताओ?
I'm not sure. You guys suggest.
हमारे पास desserts तो है नहीं तो ऐसे पकड़ के ऐसे हम कुछ करते हैं.
Yeah, I could have held the whisk, but not everybody has a whisk.
तो या सब लोग अपना अपना फेवरेट पोज या एंड 3 सेकंड में तुम लोग को सोचना है एंड 1 and 2 and 3 let's go. Awesome. All right. Okay. कुछ और सवाल आप सोचो तब तक मैं आपको एक चीज बताना चाहता था. Guys, there are certain conditions जैसे कि weight issues, hormonal imbalance, PCOS, thyroid, high blood pressure, diabetes, joint issues, ये सारी चीजों के रूट्स में है ना शुगर है ना. तो अगर तुम वो कंडीशंस को मैनेज कर रहे हो तो आई वुड से जस्ट थोड़े टाइम के लिए अपने शुगर क्रेविंग्स को कंट्रोल में रखो. हेल्दी डिजर्ट्स में भी शुगर तो आएगा ही आएगा. यू आर जस्ट डिलेइंग योर हेल्थ जर्नी. एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू द फैक्ट. ओके, अब मेरे को कोई शुगर कोटिंग नहीं करना है लिटरली एंड फिगरेटिवली यहाँ पे कि हेल्दी डिजर्ट्स खाओगे तो वो आपका कंडीशन को अफेक्ट नहीं. इट विल अफेक्ट योर कंडीशन. इफ यू आर डायबिटिक फ्रूट्स भी आपको अफेक्ट करने वाला है. अगर आप वेट लॉस करने की ट्राई कर रहे हो तो हेल्दी डिजर्ट्स आर गोइंग टू डिले योर वेट लॉस जर्नी. बट आई बिलीव इन सस्टेनेबिलिटी एंड मेंटल पीस. वी डोंट लिव इन एन आइडियल वर्ल्ड और आइडियल चीजें हमें करनी भी नहीं है. हमें यहाँ पे जो दिन में इतने सारे स्ट्रेसेस होते हैं, दिमाग नहीं खराब करना खाने खाने पर, है ना. But you have to again realize the fact that कि खाना is related with your mental health as well. So अगर तुम खाना fix करोगे तो तुम्हारा mental health better होगा. So if you are mentally stressed or something and you are fueling your body with food which is going to aggravate that condition, you shouldn't be. And sugar is going to do that. So this session was about a transition. So if you are getting sugar cravings and you are consuming junk, you should transit from junk to this better options. Because it's always about making better choices. But ideal would be stay away from it until you fix your health condition. You achieve whatever body weight you want to achieve. You manage your PCOS. अगर तुम्हारा periods नहीं आ रहा है because of PCOS, once you start getting your periods back, that should be your priority, not your sugar craving. है ना? उसको पहले वापस लाना है, उसके बाद you can. Because all these conditions have happened because of sugar abuse. Not because of sugar, but sugar abuse. तो इतना सब खा लिया है तो उसको थोड़ा सा नीचे लाके बैलेंस में लाना है. बैलेंस आ जाएगा नीचे, उसके बाद you can have it in a moderate amount, है ना. So that is what I wanted to say before, and that can contradict a lot of things that we have just discussed. Manasvi, what do you have to? What final message for everyone?
A final message would be that control the amount of sweeteners, artificial sweeteners also that you want to have. That includes stevia, that includes monk fruit sweetener, that also includes erythritol. I bake my keto desserts with erythritol, but I myself haven't had the best health after I've consumed one entire batch of cookies because मुझे लगा कि उसमें 0 cal sweetener है. It's very simple. Like he said, don't abuse because you know it has 0 calories, or don't abuse because you know कि वो plant based है. Have it in a proportion that's just going to be sufficed. Don't overeat. Simple as that. Otherwise, walk at night.
Yeah, I mean, you guys have to understand sugar is an instant energy. It's like तुमने मोबाइल को चार्ज किया, उसको कहीं यूज करना है, नहीं किया तो स्टोर होगा और वो अफेक्ट करेगा. So you have to work that around. There are so many other things you can know. Come and join us and be your home nutritionist.
Because we'll not only be discussing desserts, we will be discussing a lot more.
The whole khana range.
Like I'm going to be opening second half of this book. I write a lot of
मैम एक क्वेश्चन था.
Yeah.
मैम जो अभी आपने स्मूदी बताई, यदि वो हम इवनिंग में लेते हैं तो?
So evening में it also depends कि आप किस time पे.
I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Sorry, I can't.
Am I audible, Umesh?
Yes, you are.
Yeah.
Yes, you are.
Okay. So basically this is going to be my dinner, but after my dinner I'm going to be up till at least 2 o'clock doing some work. So I'm still going to be on my toes. So मेरे लिए ये okay है. But अगर आप 10 बजे या 11 बजे सोने वाले हो. Sorry?
6 PM में लेते हैं तो?
उसके बाद आप कितना जागने वाले हो, कितना काम करने वाले हो? Are you just going to sit down, watch some TV, have dinner after this? तो वो चीज अलग हो जाती है.
डिनर नहीं, उसके बाद ये लास्ट होगा.
I guess yeah, it should be okay. It also depends that बाकी के the rest of the day what you've consumed.
Okay.
So if you've had like let's say 3-4 slices of pizza, a little bit of rasgulla and gulab jamun, and then you're having fruits saying कि वो healthy है, then it's not going to work out well for you.
Okay.
But of course, 6 o'clock, I mean, it's a cool timing to have. I'm having it at 8:30, almost. Anyone else?
Is there something called a sugar balancing food or something? For example, if you in the first part of the day, if you had good amount of sugar, and the latter part of the day, so what should one have so that there's not much impact of sugar? Is there a concept like this? Curious.
So, I like to say one thing. Now, I'm not exactly sure about sugar in itself balancing, but I tried doing something like this yesterday when I skipped my lunch, had a very heavy breakfast of South Indian idlis and stuff, and in the night I had a pizza. While I must still be in calorie deficit, I was still consuming only carbs. और उस चीज में भी शुगर था, हर एक चीज, even the carb, even the wheat germ still has its own sugar.
Yep.
So trying to balance that is going to be a challenging game. But like I said, if you can try and avoid fruits post 4 o'clock. Like this is what my ancestors have told me, that you're supposed to avoid fruits or anything that ferments after 4 o'clock. But now that was because they slept at like 10 or 9. I'm going to sleep even later. So that's how you try and balance. But yes, of course, if you have a smoothie bowl for breakfast, it's going to be much better than having it at night. If I'm not wrong.
So Somesh, like there isn't anything like specific sugar balancing. It should be the balancing of the whole meal. So let's say if you have had more sugar in the first half of the day, the rest of the half of the day you don't have carbs at all. Like consume more fats and protein, because these are the three macros: carbs, proteins, and fats that you are consuming. If you have taken all the sugars or carbs in the first half of the day, you have two options: one, not to take any carbs, or two, if you are taking it, utilize it, because carbs are immediate source of energy. It's that. And as Manasvi was saying, कि 4 बजे के बाद या 5 बजे के बाद, it has not much to do with the time. It has to do with the time between your last meal and your sleeping hours, which she already explained. Which you at 4 or 5 hours before you shouldn't consume any sugar ideally. Ramya was asking about ideal dinner options. Ramya, it will depend upon what your goal is like. So I believe you're managing PCOD. In that case, ideally, no starchy carbs at night. So no grains, no sugar, no sweet, no fruits. Your last meal should look like a portion of protein with veggies and some fats on it. So it could be like grilled chicken with some salad, or chickpea salad, or grilled fish salad, or something along that line. So good protein and veggies. Nothing which spikes your insulin a lot. That should be the ideal one.